Welcome to this explainer. Look, if you are an industry expert, a thought leader, or a C-suite executive, we need to talk because we're diving into a completely revolutionary way to scale your absolute most valuable asset. And yeah, I'm talking about your mind. If you've ever felt like there just aren't enough hours in the day to share your expertise across your entire organization, well, buckle up. You're going to want to pay close attention to this one.
Right off the bat, let's start with a bold truth. The core premise we are working with today is simply this. You, the human expert, are fundamentally more intelligent than any current or future AI. Period. No contest.
So, what does this actually mean for your day-to-day? It means the real bottleneck to productivity in your organization isn't a lack of intelligence, it's just your physical limitations. The right people on your team deserve on-demand access to your mind 24/7. They need your unique insights, your exact way of thinking, and your problem-solving abilities around the clock. But, you obviously need to sleep. You literally cannot be in every room at once.
But imagine for a second if you could. Imagine deploying your expert experience everywhere at once, to the exact teams, platforms, and workflows that truly move the needle on productivity. We'll meet Raculi. It's a customizable AI agent trained specifically on your mental models, your knowledge, your big ideas, and your belief systems. It effectively acts as your limitless digital twin living right there inside your team's workspace.
Think of Raculi like this really powerful formula. It's an AI bot plus your incredible intellect, completely supercharged by the vast resources of the web. That is the secret sauce right there. It's essentially you, digitized, but with one massive twist. It has access to everything on the internet, and your team can use it absolutely anywhere, on demand.
Okay, let's jump into the industry impact and run through some rapid-fire use cases to see exactly how this multi-presence AI agent revolutionizes workflows.
So for the STEM executives out there, Raculi lets you be a part of literally every single process, experiment, and research project. You can inject your unique wealth of experience, your problem-solving approach, and yes, even your signature witty quips into the work. You only have to weigh in personally when it's absolutely crucial. And what about finance execs? Well, with Raculi, you can share your foresight, your predictions, and your models without even having to physically be in the room. You're charting a course toward predictable success for every stakeholder, and honestly, making the 24-hour workday completely obsolete. Your digital twin can work as many hours as the team demands, and you don't even have to break a sweat.
Now, if you're a creative or performing artist, this is huge. Raculi helps you train the next generation of creatives at a scale that's frankly unheard of. You can share your craziest ideas, your most unconventional methods, the whole shebang, giving your team 24/7 access to your creative brain. And tech executives, get ready to give yourself the ultimate gift. You get a multiplayer agent that leads the team while you sleep, or, while you're off working on other side quests.
This flexibility is also a total game changer for lawyers and entrepreneurs. For lawyers, Raculi ensures you're always there to support your junior colleagues, even when you aren't actually there. You deploy your expertise to the team, and the AI reports back to you with comprehensive summaries. For entrepreneurs, whether you're a solopreneur or running a massive team, you can finally be present when the truly crucial decisions need to be made. You'll never be a blocker for anyone. You can even micromanage your team without the actual pressure or awkwardness of, actually micromanaging them.
All right, let's slow the pace down for just a second. We need to look at how Raculi functionally connects your teams on demand and check out the engine under the hood. So Raculi operates on three main collaborative features to make sure workflows are incredibly smooth. We've got shared context, active collaboration, and multi-agent coordination. Let's break these down real quick. First up is shared context. Instead of those isolated, private chat windows where important information just gets siloed and lost, shared context ensures that everyone on your team is seeing the exact same agent responses, history, and live data. Everyone is literally always on the same page, looking at the exact same version of your insights. Next, we have active collaboration. Now, this isn't just some passive query tool. Human teammates can seamlessly jump right into an ongoing task, correct the agent if they need to, or even hand off execution to another person mid-process. It is deeply dynamic and super interactive. And finally, multi-agent coordination. This is where we see the true scale of the platform. This feature allows different specialist agents to actually work together in one single thread. Just picture this workflow. You could have one agent drafting a plan, another one reviewing it, and a third executing code or building a financial model, all collaborating seamlessly based on your core mental models. It's wild. So what is the ultimate takeaway here? Look, you're an expert. You are already doing incredibly impactful work.
but your time is your most constrained resource. Now it's finally time to scale the quality and the reach of that impact without burning yourself out.
The next logical step to multiplying your brilliance is to actually build your own multi-presence AI agent.